Hi guys, welcome to Lego Technic Engineer. Hope that you are doing perfectly fine. Today I want to show you the Lego Technic 42129 Mercedes-Benz Zetros trial truck. So let's start. Please let me first show you the app controlled functions. The first function is acceleration. The second function is steering. Please make sure to steer the model and unlock differentials, otherwise the wheels will slip and batteries can get low due to this. The third function is differential lock. In this set, central and rear differentials are lockable. With the app-controlled functions being shown, let's have a look at the manual functions. The first manual function is openable doors. I have modified them and made them lockable. The second manual function is the openable bonnet. The third manual function is the openable and lockable cover to have a look at the differential locking mechanism. One additional function in this set is the suspension in both front and rear wheels. So let's have a look at its climbing capabilities. Lego says that this set can easily climb a 45-degree ramp. My record is around 50 degrees, but I have not shown it in this video. Please give this video a like, and don't forget to share it to other Lego community. Please subscribe the channel. It is free for you, but it matters a lot to me. Thanks for watching.